Did you know that those electrical installation accessories that look small, tiny, that they are very, very important in every electrical installation? They help wire safe, neat, and long lasting. Now, what is this electrical installation accessories? They are material used to support, protect, and organize every electrical installation. Every electrical installation or doing electrical installation. Take note of that. It is used to organize, protect, and support every electrical installation or doing electrical installation. Now, what are the installation accessories? What are the installation accessories? We have the PVC pipe. Understand? For instance, now, if you check around your room, you will not see any wire. Understand? The wire is passing in your wall. What did they use in that your wall? PVC pipe, just to protect, and the wire will be safe there for many years without having any issues. Another thing is that we have stronging pipe. This is the stronging pipe. Stronging pipe. Look, for those of you who know though, this is the pipe. This is the pipe. Stronging pipe. This is the pipe for surface wiring. It makes your installation look beautiful and organized. Without people seeing wire around your building, your shop, or your office. Another thing is that we have what they call junction box. What is junction box? Is mostly used in surface wiring also, because where all the wire will come and they circulate it to all your point, lighting point, socket outlet. That place is called junction box. So now, using this junction box will help your electrical installation to look so neat. Instead of to join the wire, just leave it there like that. So take note of that. So another thing is that we have what they call switch boxes. Now, if you check around your room, your parlor, you see your switch, but there's what they use in installing that switch. That's what they call switch boxes. So we have battery box and we have knockout box. Do you get the point now? We have battery box and we have knockout box. Without all these boxes, usually in switch and in socket, your socket will just be there empty, without fixing it to the wall, without just no installation. So this box help in making your socket fix and look beautiful and safe for you. Now we have another one that they call clip. What is clip? These are the clip, very tiny. You can see this around you. See, very tiny clip. What is the work of this clip? It helps in protecting electrical cable for surface installation, just to pin the wire on the wall. Understand? It make it look beautiful, it make it look professional, it make it look safe. You understand? So that is the duty of this clip. We have it in different type, in different sizes. We have in 1.5, we have in 2.5, depending on the cable. Do you get the point there? And we have what they call connector. This is what they call connector. Just put the wire, remove the look beautiful. Instead of joining, set it look beautiful and neat. Do you get the point? This is what they call connector. And we have another one that they call saddles. It's just like a connector saddles. Like there are some, this saddle they use at the edge of the wire. Just pin it at the wire. You can put it in your switch, put it in your socket outlet, and just make this your work look so beautiful. So now, why should you choose quality installation accessories? Number one, it will protect cable from damage. It will protect your cable from damage. Take note of that. Another one is that it will make your wiring look neat and professional. They will say, wow, although this installation is very amazing. Now another one is that it will improve safety. Someone will not go and be plugging something, light will be shocking the person, and the wire will not continue because you have protected using electrical accessories. And you also help installation last longer. You also help your installation last longer. You will not fix today and tomorrow you will spoil when you are using the right electrical installation accessories. Do you understand? So what if you don't use all this electrical installation accessory? One, your work will not look neat. Your work will not look beautiful. It will be fault in due time. You understand? So what we are telling you is that when you are doing your electrical work, and you have to use the right material and make sure that all your work are using the right electrical accessories. Do you understand? So this will help you keep your work safe and professional. So this is Motex Electrical. We follow all electrical codes and electrical standards just to guarantee safety and prevent the public from electrical hazard. So Motex Electrical, safety first, power always. Thank you for watching.